What's up? What up, Marvatos? Sheesh, y'all see my nose? Anyways, so I know I haven't been posting in a while. Haven't posted anything, haven't had any updates. But today I'm going out to Stockton. Put some work into the hatch. Have something for you guys as well, but yeah. So let's go. Alright, so I'm at my brother's house now. And here's what I got so far. I know I didn't show you guys anything but here. That's out. So I did take the stock one off already. I already trashed that one. This is the DC2 one. Probably gonna get it pressure washed in a little bit and then install it. Kind of want the car rolling today. And then today I'm also gonna be putting these in some hard race. I tried earlier. I tried a couple weeks ago. I didn't record anything, but you can see that dent. I'm gonna get it pressed in a little bit, so that's gonna get done today as well. I really don't know what else I'm doing to it today. Ah, shit. Ugh. Fuck. Yeah. But nah, but trying to get rid of that. So if you guys want it, come get it. Tranny as well. Not like obviously I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing to it today. So I might put the folding mirrors on today. I don't know. Oh yeah, look at this. So I had picked up airbag delete. Alright, that's one thing or another. I'm missing one bolt right here, but one thing down. Surely but slowly, guys. So we just got to pick and pull, and yeah. Out here look for an Integra. Gotta give me some Subframe, but we'll hit this row first. Integra. DC. Oh no, I think I can use the EG one too. Nah. Oh yeah, maybe I can use this one too. Should be the same. Ooh. That's all busted. I might take it off of this one. Maybe not. I'm gonna die if I take it off of this one. Oh, look at this. Look at this VTEC sign. So I came up on this. Just gonna go ahead and just grab the subframe bolt and break it off. Should be 8 of them total. Ooh, look what the homie came up with. Look what he found for me.
The Buddy Club, the Spec 3.
Spec 3? I'm about to get these real quick. So my dumb ass dropped it and I cracked it. And I gotta find another one. Bitch. So my dumb ass dropped it and I cracked it. And I gotta find another one. Bitch. So I guess I'm done for the day. I got the subframe in. The linkage is already in for the column, the steering column. That's in. I did get the Integra knuckles in. So that's in. Just haven't hooked the fuel line, so probably do that sometimes. Probably next time when I get back. So I didn't get a chance to press these in. So probably next time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So That's probably gonna wrap up the video. That's all I got done. Recap real quick. Airbag delete tray, eK20 subframe, and Integra steering knuckles are in. Like, my goal was to have it rolling today, but you know, I'm tired, just want to hang out. So anyways, y'all, hey, if y'all have any questions about anything, just go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what's up. Let's interact, let's talk. You know, if you like the video, just click a like. Shit. Other than that, love, peace, and chicken grease. Deuce.